Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. Just want to take you through today's job. It's a beautiful Friday in April. We're doing some carpet cleaning and some tile and grout restoration. We actually turned it into a 2-day job. So we did all of the carpets yesterday so we could get them all dried today. And then we came back today and did the color sealing. So come on with me, I'll take you for a quick walkthrough. And we're down in the basement here now. So polyester fiber in one room, and then we did a large living room area here. Now, as you can see with the polyester, the downfall to an oil-based polyester is you can see the crush marks where the furniture sat. That's very difficult to remove with the crush marks, but it came out great. We did a pet odor treatment as well. They have some dogs, and so we took care of that as well. Let me take you upstairs and show you the tile. And here is the kitchen dining room area we completed. But the grout was black. We took care of it with the grout color seal. We did this one in a smoky gray and it just looks beautiful. It even matches the paint. And here's the front entranceway. Bathroom area. And then just a little garage entranceway with a closet. Just came up perfect. Looks quite amazing. So if you haven't restored your dirty grout yet, you owe yourself to give it a try. Give us a call, we'll come out, we'll do a consultation. It takes about 30 minutes. We'll give you some options and then book with us and we'll put a smile on your tile. Just call us at 519-208-8533 or visit us on our website at carmichaelcleaning.ca.